topic of community, I would like to take views also from our Lion Nagaraj Paire, who is available here along with us. So kindly give your view because you are in a leadership role in Lions for the whole of South India in multiple committees. You've been a chairman. How do you see this platform value adding to see that we are connected, we collaborate with each other, and then take this journey of restoration forward? Kindly speak, sir.
Good evening, all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Happy Environment Day. The environment has been part of Lions International policy since October 1972, when it was stated that Lions Clubs International, recognizing the profound impact of man's activity on the interrelations of all components of the natural environment, declared that it is the continuing policy of Lions Clubs International to foster and promote the general welfare, to help create and maintain conditions under which man and nature can exist in productive harmony and fulfill the social, economic, and other requirements of present and future generations of mankind. We, from our multiple, engage in projects like we motivate clubs to undertake hands-on environmental service projects such as community cleanups, recycling, and tree planting throughout the year. Inform clubs about available activity planning resources, including the Lions Green Team Kit. Encourage clubs to participate in the Protecting Our Environment Global Service Action campaign during the month of April and plan activities in celebration of Earth Day on April 22nd and UN Environmental Day on June 5th. Promote clubs' participation in Lions Environmental Photo Contest and the Environmental Poster Competition. And also encourage Lions to consider environmental effects of their personal and club actions. And we apprise Lions of any imminent environmental crisis within the district. I go on listing in what way they concentrate to protect environment. About trees, from 2011 to 12 onwards, tree planting remains an important project, especially in India. And regarding reforestation in India, we have our own project, Trees for Communities. This was started by Womer Forest Lions and taken on as district project in January 2014. Clubs can also plan this if they so wish. Another important subject is bees, study of bees. Conservation of the bee family is the main project to be supported through the MD this year. The idea is to address the problem of the alarming decline in bee numbers. One of the main problems for bees is the dwindling source of suitable food flowers and monocrop cultivation which flowers for a limited time, which when flowering is over, leaves the bees without a viable food source. The increasing use of silage for animal feed also plays a part in the reduction of available flower food sources. The bee family are essential to the pollination of many of our food producing crops. How can we help? The sowing and planting of bee-friendly flowers, both wild and cultivated, will significantly assist in this problem. The traditional hay meadows were once a particularly good source. Such a project could involve club members direct by approaching farmers, schools, and other establishments with gardens, municipal gardens, as well as including them in their own gardens. Other suspected reasons for the decline in bee population are certain insecticides and herbicides. District Lions have given out small packets of friendly flower seeds at their events. Zone clubs are supporting these schemes. Our next area is energy consumption, climate change. We can all do our bit towards this and can encourage others to reduce their carbon footprint. Cleanup campaign. This is what a lot of Lions associate with the environmental campaign, and it is indeed an important part of the program. No one likes to see rubbish scattered about their local town or village. Education is what is needed to remove this bugbear, but in the meantime, we can help clear up. I still remember that when I was the Leo DC, Leos cleaned all the plastic substance in the entire footsteps of Chamundi Hills, making it clean and pleasant to be climbed. In Mangalore also, many of our clubs joined hands with self-help groups to create awareness among people of city corporation wards to collect and convert wet waste into manure for their garden by an amazingly simple way. This is a successful project. Environment awareness campaign through posters and rallies will bring changes in people. in environmental and community activities, little things do mean a lot because by working together, we can have a positive effect on our environment and communities. So, save environment, and brighten the future of our children. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. My compliments to NGO Seeds of Sustainability for this Herculean job of conducting nationwide launch of Ecosystem Restoration Connect. Thank you, Kirti Madam.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir, for your presence and that insight about how we can collaborate and connect. So